1,079 square meters, clean title at 2,000 pesos per square meter, located in Correlia, Bohol, and near to Tagbilaran City. Just around 10 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. It has 7 meters wide frontage, so medyo maliit ang frontage guys, pero I think it's still enough to build a house. So maliit, rectangular in size, going up. Pero yung forma ng lupa guys, maliit man sa simula pero pa open na rin. So yun pang maganda dyan. Pwede tayo magtayo ng negosyo or commercial and residential house or any kinds of plants that you want. So it has coconut trees and assorted trees, and very close from the Correlia town proper. So malapit lang sa sentro, of course Tagbilaran City. So dito po dadaan ang from oldest church of Baclayon going to Tarsier Sanctuary in Correlia, then Mirrors of the World. Thank you.